drone and it flies.
रुक जाओ
Let's review this drone. It's a cheap Chinese drone called Syma X55, ordered from AliExpress. AliExpress से आप इसको ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं और इसका वेट बहुत ही लाइट वेट है एंड द प्रोपेलर्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी लाइट वेट. इसके साथ एक रिमोट कंट्रोल और एक नॉर्मल कैमरा. द कैमरा रेजोल्यूशन is not very high, but I'll just show you the shots of this camera. But for a beginner, एक beginner के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा drone to practice flying and practice how to fly a drone. And it's good for kids also, I think from the age of 10 and above. This is the placeholder where we put in the camera. It has one on and off button, and this is the plug where you plug into the camera. It has a chargeable memory.